How to create X thread. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up the steps. So for that, you may open up your Twitter, the X application. And then once you open it up, you may go ahead and log in into your account. So in order to create a thread on Twitter, all you gotta do is simply go on with the normal process of composing a post on thread. You may tap on the plus icon in the bottom left corner to create up a new post, bottom right. After tapping on it here, we will be finding this section where you can create up a post. So all you gotta do is simply type in a thread that you would like, for example, this text. After that is done, in the bottom right corner again, you should be finding a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And you need to add up another thread here. So you may just go ahead and type in another thread. Simply follow the same step in order to do so. Tap on the plus icon again. Create up a third one. Again, the fourth one also if you want. After that is done, you may tap on the post all at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. And once that is done, you may just wait for the post to be completed first and head over to your profile in order to view it like this. And that's it. Here you can see it has been created in a form of post. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.